Shukor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Ayush Medical Association of Meghalaya haga Arpsantrik Risau haga sin ka baningkong kala penlong daga general meeting ban penlong ka jingya kindo ha ka jingya lang ka bala penlong hanong pa shlong haga ni ka jingya lang i Dr. Bisolin Dhar bidi homeopathic board com state nodal officer Ayush department ilalong kumikongsan haga jingya don lang i Dr. S. Karshandi homeopathic physician but former general secretary jong Meghalaya belalong kum sumbot kongsan hakajing ilang layo ya kajing kren no vice president jong kinhon haringkat kongsan badru na sumbot kongsan haba ajing kren hagani ka sngi na kalyang Dr. Bilang stang general secretary ka Amam ulaong baka kinhon kala rai ka wi kajing ban pan ki sanction post na kabenta ki Ayush doctor bad na ka directorate Shisho ulaong bala ka Sorkar kalaban ay South Spa atli ki sanction post ki MBBS balay pat ki Ayush doctor kimla ban le ai Ula penrap dulu ke baong baka Sorkar kamde ban le silyang kaman namar baki Ayush doctor minta kilia bun bat bun ki bala contractual hapo ke National Health Mission kakinhon ka dawa bat kerpat ya ke Sorkar ba kan shnah du sanspa atli ki pos na benta ki Dr. Ayush namar laslem ke Sorkar jala ka klem le ai ya kini ki doctor kakinhon kala ong ru bakam Kwah ban ya phong apron bat rak plakat hakamat secretariat Hynrei lada ka Sorkar kamle ai Banse hab banmi Madan.
Nabaru sistem jom tiga Ayush community pupuk ke state jom imanta. Baru itu wah state jom imanta kita sistem three system out of this system baru jom ini system kita khusus tamlai way tadi menutik way di Ayurveda way di yoga nasional. Yang lalu ni Banse itu buat tu nak digantang menuntut bayu yang registration untuk state jom. Lepas ayu lebih pada parti menuntut kita kita ayu lebih state Indonesia. Menuntut pakai registration semua. Jadi lepas memang kita melakukan asam, misalnya asam kita melakukan asam dan memang menjadi state. Dimentai ini kita nama Ibrahim bah yang berada di dalam dalam kata session ini hasil program state ini. Jadi kita next point the next regular government force. Kau yang kita important bah Hoy, mga atlet ng kontraktual nga ay Hynrei kami dire baru minta ng baru kami ng refine ng ito kontraktual. Kami dire juga regular government post. Pa dimilih government betul kalau mengimplementasi tulungin creative positif. Hynrei sensitif kejadian central government kalau ai belum tempat mengenai Ayush. Itu something khususnya di university teaching pendidikan di saat ini. Bila saya nagling jongi bagi habjar, penunjukun, penunjuk le tagadau, bah kila komputer kami kaham kejongi kat seperti mana. Jadi kami besar mereka. Saya tagadau bah jika di promotion of course dikampan push back nama apa dari MBBS kelakon hidup saspak atau yang di Ayush betul kita life spark is a huge nama baru isu create vegan dan create the life spark yang ditolong is very huge for us bah nanti ada apa jadi yang once we push back again. Nampak once we don't need kata kata push back we kita ini service goal kita tidak terlihat. Belum pun. Tak ada apa is very important topik wah ini ka regular government push. Nampak kibul kita tahu tentang trade, mencoba trade untuk anak national program admission. Diminta kelar mereka national admission. Maupun kita tahu jumlah tentang trade tentang kuota. Jadi ini compare kuih-kuih Kristian, kila regularize ini, nama kila travel kita, nama tertajam ini, kala he. The government development ikut gini, nama kala he tertajam ini, train. Jadi ini nutrition of post kan regular di government di doktor di malah trace dan ko kontrak di Sorkar kan itu, Sorkar ko stage lah, government.
Kalau tidak bisa, habisnya ini sesuai. Tapi kalau sesuai itu pun itu sendiri. Bisa aku ini, kadang kau pun macam kau berjalan di dia cepat, kadang kau berjalan pada sini. Bisa aku ini, ayusi. Dan aku kan, kontak lebih, asal lebih dari EU, jadi kalau kau boleh bayar ni, tapi saya lebih kedor. Dia sangat yang apa itu, kayu. Kalau discovery, jadi kalau dihabat kuah itu kemudian katakan dulu dihabat kuah itu kemudian satu bagian buat cukup sebenarnya dalam air bar, dihabat dimain dia dalam air bar, asisten, hanya pemain asisten, kemudian dihabat di dan lebar, yang ini dia sebaiknya orang tua apa ini ayus, bagi ayus sifatnya kalau ini suatu tinggal. Bagi yang sekretariat ni, dan ini pun yang sekretariat. Bagi yang kita di plakat, di mana orang terjadi ni, kata kita banse, wah ini ada bisa makan orang, nak tahu, akan tuli perhatian. Mula tu, habis tu disuruh aktif, mana kalian jangan dengan air, dia kata mesti pada tulis selalu ada tulis tapi fungsinya adalah lapor itu perhatian. Ini sesuai itu. Lalu lapor yang fungsi yang intensi approval baru dan itu tentang tidak sempat ini tempat ini maka yang berkadul dan berkadal proyek bisa sepuluh dan itu dan kita ada bahwa itu kan yang prinsip pada pergi ada sih ini apa ada yang terlibat yang sudah tidak poin seluruh sama kapal dan lagi makasih kalau perfect atau tidak sedikit punya lagi yang sok ini apa terlalu
The memorandum that was produced and particularly circulated to the Secretary of India as well as it was circulated in Meghalaya. During that process, there was a wave of encouragement by most of the doctors that regularization may be at hand because the government had called us for several meetings regarding to decide how to go about regularization. It would so happen that under election, it's not only the Irish doctors have present, the other departments also. It has become a very difficult task for the government to regularize only Irish doctors. So, they have formulated another way of regularizing all the Irish doctors. A proposal of 50 posts for Irish doctors was made to the Federal Association. But as time goes by, our association started falling back. We couldn't gather much of the popularity that we initially had. Most of our members have joined another association to which a discouragement has come among the members of the association. It has come to a stage that no one paid attention to the association when we approached the government. Since the government knows that Irish doctors fall under two different parts of association, nothing seriously was taken. The proposal that was made for 50 posts vanished in the air. We still are saddened by that, but still, we are not discouraged and will continue pursuing further. So these are small struggles that the association had gone through. various dignitaries that association have met, be it from the governor, to the chief minister, health minister, even the central Ayush minister.
Go an extra mile in order to bring smile to the sick humanity. Let us do our duty with care. We need to be sensitive to the pain or discomfort or uneasiness of an individual or community. What are in front of you are your patients. Treat them with care. They will remember you lifelong. And I'm sure you will be happy when you see a healthy community around you. Secondly, who is on your right side? On your right side are your colleagues. Your colleagues are a very important lot of people who would help you to move on in your profession. The more you have the same mind and spirit, the more you will become successful in your sphere, especially in uplifting the 5 systems of medicine in Meghalaya, the 3 I would say. Unity is very important. We are in the Ayush system of 5 and we need to stay united so that we can meet all our demands. As I said earlier, we still have a long way to go and our path is still rough and winding. If you look just to the empty chairs that is around us, we could come to the conclusion that there is no unity among us. Let it be half filled. We do not expect 100% because as doctors we have duty even on holidays and we give it some other duties and responsibilities. Listening to hearsay or spreading rumors are not healthy at all, and it will only lead to a downfall as Ayush. Let us do it together. Remember the cage and the bird and the cage trap story, which we all know right from our childhood. Remember the single stick and a bundle stick story. We need to stay together. Know and realize that we cannot walk alone. Many of us have tried to walk alone, but we will not go anywhere. I said to some, and I say it again now, the delay of the government to give us a directorate is because of this unity among us. I repeat, the delay of the government to give us a directorate is because of this unity among us. Believe it or not. Unity is the need of the hour in our Ayush circle. Respect one another. Senior to junior, junior to senior, junior to junior, senior, senior, classmate, batchmate, polio or Ayush, yoga or whatever. Respect one another. Remember that your mission is sacred, to heal the sick, not just to earn bread and butter. Many I hear with my own eyes that they say, I will only concentrate on my own family. But we should remember that family, we feed our family, yes, through our profession, and at the same time there is so much more to be done to others, especially to the patient. Our mission is sacred, to heal the sick. As I said earlier, to bring smile to the sick humanity. It does happen that many of us do not respect one another. I've seen that. I've been in the higher level for quite some time, and I've seen that there's no respect of one another. If we continue in this manner, we will become a laughing stock to our counterparts. A few months after I joined, where I am now, I sensed that our counterparts saw that